presenting a pre-owned 2018 BMW. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW has less than 96,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.